WTI crude futures surged above $84 per barrel on Tuesday, marking their highest level since late October, fueled by geopolitical tensions and anticipated increases in demand. Heightened concerns arose following an Israeli airstrike on Iran's embassy in Syria, resulting in the demise of Iran's top commander and others, thereby escalating tensions in the Middle East. Concurrently, Mexican state-controlled oil company Pemex announced plans to reduce crude exports in the coming months, exacerbating worries about existing supply shortages. OPEC's upcoming joint ministerial meeting is set to evaluate market conditions and member adherence to production targets, with expectations leaning towards maintaining current output policies unchanged. On the demand front, better-than-expected manufacturing PMIs in the US and China have bolstered optimism that demand will rebound. Given these developments, the short-term forecast for crude oil prices is decidedly bullish. Light crude oil futures are currently experiencing a robust upward trend and are on the verge of a potential breakout to higher levels, contingent upon strong buying momentum that can surpass the previous peak on October 27 at $85.50. Such a substantial movement could prompt a surge towards the static resistance level at $88, followed by another peak at $89.50. Unless there is a significant reversal in closing prices, the market finds solid support levels at $82 and $80, with significant support offered by a price cluster formed by the 50-day moving average at $79 and the 200-day moving average at $78. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to support the channel if you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.